Hello, I've created a new page on my remote influencing therapy.xyz website. The page is titled Stirred and Shared DIY Cocktail Drink Therapy. I'd been to my local town centre earlier and I'd taken one of my Dooley's toffee liqueur cocktail drinks that I'd made. I'd taken it with me to share with a couple of my friends who work on that street, Wellington Street in Luton Town Centre. We had a nice little conversation while we were drinking, and not too much. It's just a small amount of the drink. And one of my friends, she said that it was like a club, and actually she beat me to the punch because it is basically a club, an informal sort of do-it-yourself cocktail therapy club. So that was good insight from her. And as I say, if you go to my website, you can see the page. Let me go. Yeah, when you go to remoteinfluencingtherapy.xyz, you'll find the page. There it is again. Stirred and Shared DIY Cocktail Drink Therapy. Actually, I also want to thank Google Gemini because I had suggested a few names to them, and I'd mentioned that it's the type of club, it's a do-it-yourself cocktail drink club. And then they had come up with that name. They'd come up with different suggestions, but the one I decided to go with is Stirred and Shared. I like that one. Okay, thank you. Bye.